we will be learning this a simple vamping. I won't call it the simplest vamping, but it's a simple vamping, because the simplest vamping for high life will sound like this. So this is what I'm saying. That's the simplest, but that's not what I'm starting with. So, that's the simplest. But what I want to start with you with is alright? So it's right, sorry, this is my left round, this is my right. Left, right, 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 left, right, right, left, right, 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 left, right. Try to drum it. Alright? Let me use these two notes. That's it. So stay on one note, don't move away, just stay one. Maybe pick your saw chord and stay there and do it. Then you can now spread it. And it's important for you to know how to simplify a beat. You simplify a beat by taking some of the beats from it. So how did I simplify? What did I do? So instead of doing, I removed the first two from the right hand. The reason I say that is sometimes you see a beat, you hear a beat from a pianist, a rhythm, you want to learn, but it's too fast, it's too hard, it's in a quick succession. You remove some of the beats. If you want to learn, remove some of the beats, and gradually you add them back, right? So let's go. That's it, and this is all for this video. In the next video, we will mix what we've learned previously with this, so that we can transition between the vamping and the so something like this. So that's it. Transitioning between the to the so the next episode we will work on that transitioning and perfect it. As soon as we perfect it, the next stage will be making the vamping more professional, because I simplified it so that you can grasp the concept. I simplified it by removing some beats, so I'm going to add all of them back, and it will be more realistic, like what you hear in an event. So see you in the next episode.